When you're managing multiple clients, deadlines, and deliverables, your brain alone can't keep up. Sticky notes and inboxes don't scale. You need a project management system that keeps everything organized, on time, and easy to track for you and your team. In this lesson, I'll walk you through simple, effective tools to manage web design projects, from proposal to launch, without overwhelm. Step 1. Know what your system needs to track. Before picking a tool, get clear on what your process includes. For most web design projects, you'll need to track proposal, contract, and invoice status, discovery call notes and client details, design and development milestones, review rounds and revisions, final launch tasks, maintenance or retainer tasks if ongoing. Whatever tool you use should make these steps visible and repeatable. Step 2. Start with a simple visual system. If you're a solo designer or just getting started, keep it light. Trello or Notion are perfect for this. Create columns for each phase, e.g. discovery, design, build, launch. Add cards or pages for each client or project. Assign deadlines and checklist items. Use labels for project type or status. It's clean, visual, and easy to update. Step 3. Upgrade to a full project management tool as you grow. If you're working with a team or handling multiple projects, consider ClickUp, highly customizable with tasks, docs, timelines, and automations. Asana, great for structured task management and client-facing timelines. Monday.com, easy to onboard clients or collaborators. Basecamp, simple and focused on communication. Teamwork, built for client service businesses. Pick one tool and commit to it. The tool only works if you use it consistently. Step 4. Build templates for repeatable projects. Save time by turning your common project types into templates. Example, 5-page website build. Week 1, discovery and strategy call. Week 2, wireframes. Week 3, visual design. Week 4, development. Week 5, revisions. Week 6, launch by QA. You can create reusable task lists for client onboarding, launch checklists, maintenance task cycles. Templates equal speed, consistency, and better client experience. Step 5. Make it client-friendly. Some tools allow you to invite clients as guests. Use this to share timelines or deliverables, assign review tasks, centralize feedback, avoid scattered email chains. Just don't overwhelm them. Keep it simple and clear. Step 6. Review and refine your system monthly. Once a month, check: are deadlines being met? Are clients staying informed? Is anything slipping through the cracks? Is this tool still serving your team? If the system isn't making life easier, simplify it. The best tool is the one you'll actually use. Project management isn't just about being organized, it's about delivering smoother, faster, and more stress-free projects. In the final lesson, we'll talk about your long-term vision and how to build a business that grows the way you want, on your terms.